Hello students, today will be the class number 9 in science. It will be about the nature of light. So let's begin. So the first one, maybe you have thought of a lot of sources of light. The sun, the candle, the lamp, and for example some insects that have light. So light precedes sight, like that. You can see the light. It will enter to the eye for you to see it. And then what is light? Before we define light, let's talk about the electromagnetic spectrum, trace the historical development of the theories that explain the nature of light. A review of electromagnetic waves. These are waves produced by oscillating charges. These are the oscillating charges. This is the wavelengths. This is the propagation, how it's propagation, the light, the electric field, and the electromagnetic wave. So they can travel through a vacuum or material substance. They are transverse in nature. There are 7 identified classes of electromagnetic waves. So this is the electromagnetic waves, depending each one of the wavelengths: radio, microwave, infrared, visible, ultraviolet, X-ray, and gamma ray. These are the 7 types of spectrum. A closer view on the EM waves. So radio waves, these include TV signals, and AM and FM radio signals. They have the longest wavelengths in the electromagnetic spectrum, which may be several kilometers. They have also the least energy in the family of electromagnetic waves. The microwaves, electromagnetic waves that have wavelengths in the range of centimeters in the microwave. These are the wavelengths of them. They are used to carry communication signals over long distances. Space probes, also used in cooking. Infrared waves, electromagnetic waves that have wavelengths slightly longer than wavelengths of red visible light. The warming effect of the sun is an example of infrared radiation. Can be used to produce detailed image of object, weather forecasting, like that, of the people, of the human being. Ultraviolet waves, invisible waves that lie just beyond the violet light, has higher energy and frequency but shorter wavelengths compared to visible light. Has enough energy to pass through clouds. UV ultraviolet can be used to kill germs and disinfect objects. X-rays, electromagnetic wave with wavelengths less than 10⁻8 meter, highly useful in medical imaging like here, contain a lot of energy that may give detrimental effects to tissues. The gamma rays, electromagnetic wave with the highest energy and frequency. Shortest wavelengths, most penetrating exposure to this ray may pose danger. Can be used to treat cancer. So now the nature of light. Debates on the nature of light, particle or corpuscular theory, wave theory of light, the whole nature of light. Light behaves as a particle. So evidences for waves. Thomas Young is a scientist, and the double slit experiment that he has done it. So single slit pattern, this one, and double slit pattern, this one. This experience is here. So light propagation direction. This is how it's the propagation of the light. This is the screen, intensive distribution of rings, constructive interference. So the light is, this is something, for example, let's say something, this is the light, and the light will pass from here and will make the propagation. Okay? Polarization of light. This is one example. For example, the sunglasses. Light passing through crossed polarizes. This is polarizes 1 vertical, this is polarizes 2 horizontal. This is the beam, and it will pass like that. Here, light waves vibrating perpendicular to the highway. Light waves vibrating parallel to the highway. Here perpendicular, and here is parallel. So it's passing through the sunglass. Evidence for particles. This is the particle photoelectric effect. This is the particle. How solar cells work, front contact grid, anti-reflective coating. So this is a more advanced example of solar cell sandwich. Here, photoelectric effect. Here is the photon. When it will enter here, it will go out as an electron. This is the energy. This is the formula of the photon. So the dual nature of light. Here, Louis de Broglie has made this, how to do the double nature of light. So light has dual nature. So this is the class of today. This is an extension of the class or of the text that you have. So to answer the question, you need to read the text. So this class is only to have more information, okay? So please read the text to be able to answer the worksheet, okay? Thank you. If you have any question, please just let me know. Good luck.